The world held its breath as North Korea launched a deadly missile into the sky. The Intercontinental Ballistic missile soared over 900 kilometers for 67 long minutes, before finally splashing down in the Sea of Japan. State media declared it a surprise drill, meant to confirm the weapon's reliability and demonstrate Pyongyang's capability to counter hostile forces like the US and South Korea. As joint military exercises between the US and South Korea loomed on the horizon, tensions between North Korea and the international community continued to escalate. In response to the drills, North Korean authorities threatened an unprecedentedly strong retaliation, insisting the exercises were being done in preparation for an invasion. Kim Yo-young, sister of North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, added that any hostile acts would be met with a strong and overwhelming response. She urged the US to end what she called threats against the regime. The missile launch came on the heels of a massive military parade in which North Korea displayed more than a dozen ICBMs. It was the first missile launch since New Year's Day, and it sent shockwaves throughout the world. Despite North Korea's claims that the missile was launched for peaceful purposes, the international community expressed grave concern. Japan's defense minister, Hamada Yasukazu, warned that the missile had the potential to reach as far as the mainland United States. The G7 foreign ministers condemned North Korea's reckless behavior, declaring that it threatens regional and international peace and security. As the world waited with bated breath, North Korea's ballistic missile and nuclear weapons programs remained banned by the UN Security Council. Yet, this had not stopped Pyongyang from continuing its weapons development and holding elaborate military parades to show them off. The world watched as North Korea continued to escalate tensions, leaving many wondering when and where the next missile would be launched.